cyclists are going past me at a really incredible rate. We were going to try to rent bicycles, however, after seeing how fast they go and the fact that we really don't know how to bike that well, we decided we're not going to do it. Eileen is right now getting some, I think, hand cream, so I'm heading over to where she is. And then after that, we're going to catch a local bus, which is the 26 that'll take us back. I was hoping a bunch of bicycles will be coming down, but no cyclists are coming down right now. But we really like this. It's pretty neat. And this is where we're going. It's called Matas. Hello!
Hello.
So where are we today?
We are at a coffee shop called Öresund.
Oh. And, oh, there you go. And so we're going to go down, and this is what you've ordered?
Yes, a panini and some cafe latte and yogurt.
I like how they did the little heart on it. That looks really good.
That's a hard on for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Alright, I just wanted to get a picture of that more than anything else. Bye!